Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have April, Ipsy. Shout out to all the April babies. My daughter's birthday is in April, so shout out to her. Let's see what we got in the bag. Ooh, Daisy themed. Kind of blends in. So you got this nice yellow lining and an Ipsy tassel. Very cute. And this month is Keep Growing. Let's see if we have, oh yes, we got prizes. Let's check it out. Okay. And here is the Way. This is body cream. Melrose Place. Shout out to Melrose Place. Okay, and this is a deluxe sample size valued at, oh, full size would be $38. Super pricey. I like super pricey though, right? In a glam bag. Ooh, lid. Ooh, it has like a very light scent on the sniff test. I love Way products. I like the detox shampoo. I like the scalp treatment. I like the leave-in conditioner. Now this is added to my collection. Very, very nice. Okay, next up. Ooh, some beauty product. What is this? V Cosmetics. Okay, lightweight powder blush in Natural Kiss. It's a deluxe sample size. Full size would be $24. So Natural Kiss. Ooh, that's pretty. Kind of reminds me of a shade I think I got in Bare Minerals. Very pretty, like a mauve. So that's 2. So you get 5 deluxe or mini size, sample size, fun size products, and usually 1 is full size. Looks like we got our full size. This is Koki Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil. Look at that shine. Classic packaging in dark brown. So this is right here. It is full size, valued at $8. Let's check out the, oh, I like this. Oh, it's wrapped. Okay, so that's nice, dark brown. And then what do we have here? Dear Beach. Yes. Glassy lip oil and gloss, 5 ml. Okay, deluxe sample size. Full size would be 25 ml. And I definitely need this. Okay, last but not least. Ooh, beautiful packaging. Nanette Lepore. Enchanted Flora. Ooh, what are you? Oh, it's a perfume. Uh-oh. Never, this is like my first time, I think, getting perfume. So, oh, very cute though. Let's give it a whiff. Oh, you know what it smells like? Hairspray. Not my scent, but beautiful packaging. This would make a really nice gift. Let's check out the price for this Nanette Lepore. Okay, deluxe sample. Wow. Full size would be $90. Oh my god. Okay, so we did get a full size, which was the Koki Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil. I'm excited to try that out. Everything else were samples. So the Way, has anybody tried this? Melrose Place. Deer Beach lip oil and a blush. I think it's great. And of course our bag, all this for $13. I'd say is a win on this bag. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, guys. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, smash that like button, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe.